Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a grill with me. We're gonna make some chicken fajitas. You may have seen earlier that I went ahead and put the seasoning packet in some oil with the chicken and left it in the fridge, so that's ready to go. I need to clean the grill from last time because I did not. And then we just need to cut the vegetables up to prep for the grill. I'm gonna go clean the grill first. I'm not gonna show you that because you've seen me do it when I set up the grill the first part of the season. And then we will get the chicken on. I'll cut the veggies because then we can add those. They won't take as long. This may be quick. Oh, we're gonna do a dessert. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today because the pineapple I bought is not ripe enough. So I might have to film that like tomorrow or something, and I'll add it into this just so it's all a grill with me. But it'll be a dinner and a dessert then. Let me go get the grill cleaned and then we'll prep the chicken to go on the grill and the veggies. These are the veggies we're gonna do. Now the trick I actually read in the back of the Kinder seasoning was to cut them in half and grill them that way, then slice them up. So we're gonna do that. So let's get these prepped to go out. While those are on, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up this Roma tomato to have as a topping. Well, while we give that a little bit of time, I'm gonna set up a couple things on the plate. I love salsa verde to go with chips, so we're gonna do that. And I might even put a little bit on my actual fajitas. And then I also have a little cup of guac, which I can use with the chips or on the fajitas as well. I might leave that closed. And then we're using, like I said, my favorite carb counter tortillas in the snack size because we're making fajitas. And then I did get out a spoon because I couldn't get my squeezable sour cream, so we're gonna have to scoop it on today. But I'm just gonna set these up and then add some chips. So once everything comes off the grill, we'll top it with cheese. Might even do a little squeeze of lime because it kind of sounds good. We'll do the tomatoes and then the sour cream. Voila, my fajitas from the grill. They're very colorful. I'm excited to eat them. I'm gonna have this pineapple coconut water with it, and then I will save the leftovers to have again later.
Oh baby, look at you when you walk in.
So it's a few days later. I was really waiting to see if the pineapple would ripen a little bit more, and it really hasn't much. So we're gonna go for it and see what happens. I already cleaned the grill the last time I grilled in anticipation I was gonna do that, and I didn't, so that's perfect. But let's get started on the pineapple. It's a very simple dessert. So the recipe I found, you're supposed to cut into slices, and then you're supposed to put a little bit of sugar on it, so that way when you do it on the grill it kind of caramelizes, and you only do like a few minutes to each side. And then as soon as you get it off the grill, you're supposed to drizzle lime juice on top right away while it's hot. Once it's cooled a little bit, then we'll add some coconut whipped cream, which I just bought canned kind, and then should be able to eat the dessert. Oh, and I forgot to mention, rather than using regular sugar, I'm gonna use cinnamon sugar because I really like cinnamon on pineapple. I feel like it cuts down on the tartness, and then it's also good for blood sugar regulation. So we're gonna do this, but I have sugar, cinnamon sugar, my lime, and then the pineapple, which we're gonna cut, which, like, you can kind of tell it's not crazy ripe like it probably should be. It's still pretty green, but I'm gonna try to use the bottom half as the slices, and then I'll cut up the rest of the top for me to just enjoy.
Everybody got their eyes on you, on you, on you, on you. Oh baby, look at you. Love how you sway like you got nothing to prove. You play by your own rules. Caught you stealing hearts with each and every step of your dance. I tell my friends, those poor men, like you go leaving them broken hearted. Eat them up like you've been starving. What? You can't get enough. No. Oh baby, look at you. The way you say what you mean, scaring off the fools. And you know it's true. Oh baby, look at you. They say that you don't walk in unless you got.
And now we'll let those sit. I will say this smells delicious. I've let it cool down a little bit, and we're gonna add the whipped topping. So this is the one I bought, the Ready Whip, made with coconut milk. I'm hoping it gives the coconut taste that it's supposed to have. You're supposed to make it yourself with like coconut milk and stuff, but to me that feels like a waste when I'm just literally making it for one person. And then it said you could also top it with nuts. I'm not a huge fan, so I'm not gonna do that, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I'm happy to say that is very good. There was definitely something about putting the lime juice on it when it was warm, because it kind of dissolved into it. It came out very good. It had just, I don't know, it was really good taste. The sugar, the lime, the pineapple, it wasn't tart. Surprisingly, I was very thankful for that. And I love the creaminess of the Cool Whip on top. But that's a great, fun summer dessert that you can make with people, and it was really easy. Actually, both of those meals were very easy and so good. I didn't do a taste test with the chicken fajitas. I already knew those would be good, but the Kinder seasoning was perfect. It wasn't spicy. It was definitely a light heat, but I really did like it. So I hope you enjoyed. I will link the recipe for the pineapple if you want to do that the correct way, fully. And then also the fajitas, there's not really a recipe. I literally just used what was like direction-wise was on the back of the Kinder seasoning fajita packet. So there's not really a recipe for that, but I will link the pineapple one down below. As always, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.